Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the kinds of blur that exist in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, we need to have an object we want to blur. Next, go to Filter, Blur, and here we can find all the blurs that exist in Photoshop. Let's go through each one of them one by one. Quick note before we start, if you don't select an area you want to be blurred, the whole layer will be affected. And I will leave it like that. The first blur we have is the average blur. Picking this, you get the average color of your picture or selected area. Blur. This adds a faint blur to your photo, which you have no control over. I don't recommend using this blur. Blur more. This just applies a stronger blur. Again, you have no control over any of the settings. Gaussian blur. This is similar to the last two blurs, but this one lets you choose the amount of blur, making it better to use in almost all cases. Lens blur. Lens blur lets you create the effect of an actual camera lens's blurriness. Here you have the option for the depth map, the iris, the specular highlights, and the noise. Motion blur. Motion blur lets you recreate the blurriness of a photo taken in motion. You can select the amount of blurriness and the angle in which the blurriness is going to come in. Radial blur. This lets you make circular blurs with the option to control the amount, blur method, which there is spin or zoom, and the quality, which is draft, good, and best. Shape blur. Shape blur lets you create blur effects in many shapes, such as wild animals, smart blur. Smart blur is another blur which gives you plenty of control, and the end result looks like an oil painting. Surface blur. Surface blur makes the photo look way more simplified. Good if you're going for a cartoony look. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.